All right, today's topic is dangerous.
Dangerous? It's just English.
Yeah, but today we're talking about words that don't mean what you think.
Oh no, I feel attacked already.
Okay, first word, actually.
Easy. It means currently, right?
No.
Wait, what?
Actually means in fact, like correcting something.
So I've been using it wrong my whole life?
Probably.
That explains so many awkward moments.
Tell me one.
Okay, listen, I told my boss, actually, I'm working on the report right now.
Oh no.
What? That sounds right.
It sounds like you're correcting your boss. Like, you're wrong. I am working.
Oh my God.
Next word, sympathy.
Yeah, like when you understand someone's feelings.
Nope, that's empathy.
These words are playing with my life.
Sympathy means you feel sorry for someone.
Wait, I told my friend, I have sympathy for you. I understand your pain.
It's not terrible, but it sounds distant.
So I sounded cold?
A little.
Great. I lost emotional points that day.
Okay, last one, eventually.
Finally, I know this one. It means maybe.
No.
What do you mean, no?
Eventually means in the end.
So when I told my girlfriend, I'll call you eventually.
Oh, that's bad.
No, what did I say?
You basically said, I will call you, but I don't know when.
That's why she was mad.
See, these small words can cause big problems.
Yeah, emotional damage.
So next time, think before you use them.
Or just bring you with me everywhere.
Exactly.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't trust English anymore.
That's fair. Ready for more?
Do I have a choice?
Okay, next word, library.
Easy, that's where you buy books.
No,
Wait, then what is it?
it's where you borrow books.
So I went to a library and asked, how much is this book?
Oh no.
The lady just stared at me.
Yeah, because it's free.
I left immediately.
Next word, sensible.
That means sensitive, emotional, right?
No, it means practical, logical.
You're kidding.
Nope.
I told someone she's very sensible.
That's actually a compliment.
Wait, really?
Yeah, you said she's smart and reasonable.
Okay, finally, I didn't embarrass myself.
Next one, fabric.
That's like a factory, right?
No,
Why do these sound the same?
fabric is cloth, like material for clothes.
So when I said, this city has a lot of fabrics,
That sounds like clothes everywhere.
honestly, not wrong.
Okay, this one is funny. Chef.
Yeah, like the boss.
No, that's chief.
Oh no.
Chef is a cook.
So I told my manager, you are a great chef.
Please tell me you didn't.
He just said, thank you?
He was confused and hungry.
Okay, one more important thing about actually.
I'm scared already.
If you use it too much, it can sound rude.
So I've been rude and wrong?
Exactly.
I need to apologize to so many people.
English is tricky, but that's why we're here.
Yeah, to save lives.
Not lives, conversations.
Same thing.
Which mistake did you make before?
Be honest, we won't judge.
And don't forget,
Follow for Real Talk English.